Hello everyone and welcome. Today I have a very special video for you. It is a tutorial for very cheap shifting floors. Now I was going to build in survival jail's witch farm, and I was looking at the guide and it was so expensive with the cauldrons and the comparator and everything, and I was like a week into the survival server, and I thought to myself, well, I bet I can design something that would be extremely cheaper, and I did. Look at this. This is the entirety of the redstone needed for the entire shifting floor. The way it works is that, well, if you don't know, it uses the burnout effect. If you take a block, put a redstone torch here, a redstone dot here, and a block here, it will create a very rapid clock that will end in the torch burning out. But if you replace the block, it doesn't happen. And that's pretty much it. This is how it works. When this tripwire is triggered, this block is powered, this piston, this block is then shifting down, pushed down by the piston, and it powers this redstone dot, which creates the clock, powers this piston, because we have the same mechanism over here, and we have repeaters set to different delays. It shifts the floor. And this is how it works. And it works like a charm. Even if we like stand here and let the torch burn out, it's fine. Like everything returns to its original place. And even if we have mobs walking here, so this will burn out, but they will walk in here, and everything will work. So this is how we build it. Okay, let's go. We have this line, this row is where we're going to have the gap. So we're going to have the piston over here. This is a regular piston, and just fill in the line of pistons like this, like so, we got it. All this contraption needs is one sticky piston, one regular piston, a repeater, a redstone torch, a 3-wire hook, and a redstone and a piece of redstone dust, and obviously solid blocks. For each line, this is the size of the witch hut, but you can do it any size. You can use it for a mob trap or whatever. So we put the repeaters here, and redstone here. Now, 3 blocks above this redstone, we'll put the line of solid blocks here with the tripwire hooks. And the sticky pistons coming down from here, down from here. And, oh my god! And solid blocks on the faces, and we'll put this back in, and torches all the way over here. Now, since this is the floor that is pushed last, we will set these repeaters to 3 ticks each. Okay, so this side is done, and now we'll build this side. The only difference here is that the piston is one closer. It's right on the glass. You see here we have one gap. You can use this for either a witch farm, a mob trap, whatever, anything that has mobs that you want to drop down. And again, 2 solid blocks here. This block actually doesn't have to be solid, the other one does. And repeaters going into the pistons, redstone dot on top of each block, a line of solid blocks here. For the tripwire hooks, and now I thought there would be an issue because the lights the torches emit, but they only emit a light level of 6, which doesn't affect the farm at all. Obviously, when you're building everything here in survival, you need to slab the top of the redstone dust. The torches don't need, the repeaters don't need to be slabbed because mobs can spawn on repeaters. So we have this set to 3 ticks, this set to 1 tick. Now all we need to do is fill in the string in the tripwire, and it works. As you can see, the floor is shifting, and if we spawn something, let's say witch, let's set the difficulty. Oh, it is already on easy. Okay. See, the witch dropped. If there will be something that killed her downstairs, down there, she would die. But there isn't. Now let's hop on to the survival world and see how things are going on. This is actually a server. I've set everything up like in Jail's tutorial, except for the shifting floors. Actually, there's one other different. It's night here. Let's see the farm over there and all the surrounding. We have very good rates. This is like, I don't know, 2 hours of AFK. We'll go down and check everything out. Oh guys, I can't stress this enough. If you're building underwater, you want to have depth strider boots. They are so good. I built this without them. It was a nightmare, and I got them after everything. Alright, so let's see here. You got the same mechanism. And when you go over here, it works! This is awesome. And as you saw, the rates are awesome as well. I need to do all the cave items and everything. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned something. And see you next time. Bye bye.